Hey there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KNL Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's session. In the last video, I have developed or worked on the detailed portion of the bus. Okay, in the sheets available.php. Now we will move to the next section. That is, we will try to develop the setting arrangement for the corresponding bus. That details are descriptive above. Okay, so let's move to the coding part. Follow me on the line number 170. Okay, there is the opening of PHP tag. Okay, before showing the setting arrangement, first let me show the PHP functionality for login and logout. Okay, that is, when the user click on the logout buttons, himself, he or she will be log out from the website and redirect to the login page. So for this, you will provide the PHP script. If is set $_post logout, session unset. Okay, there is no any method showing here. We need to write manually. Okay, now it is showing session dot destroy and header that is used for the direction of the user with the location attribute with the value login.php. Okay, when any user click on the logout button, then he or she will be himself log out from the website and redirect himself into a login page. Okay, now come to the, now we will provide GUI. We will provide the GUI for the setting arrangement. So for this, there is a, okay, there is opening of div tag. Set man. With the class attribute having the value jumbotron and container and set arrangement. Okay, bg info. Inside this div tag we will have, okay, we will have another h3 tag with the value setting arrangement. Okay, now after the h3 tag we will have another div tag with the class attribute having the value row, and inside the div tag we will have another div tag with the class attribute column 12, column medium 12, column small 4 and column large 4. Column 12, column medium 12, sorry, medium 4 column small 4 and column large 4. Okay, inside the div tag we will have another div tag with the class attribute with the value deflex justify content center. Justify content center. Okay, inside the div tag we will have a PHP statement. So there will be an opening of PHP tag and closing of PHP tag as well. After that we will have if else statement containing the conditions $6 status. Okay. First let me display the GUI, then I will work on dynamically using the database and the server. So for this p tag with the class attribute having the value bg primary and rounded circle p2 and m2. Content will be L1. P tag will be closed. Copy this line of code and paste it for second time. Okay, now copy this line of code for 5 to 6 times. 1 2 times is there, 3 times, 4 times and 5 times. Change the content L2, L3, L4, L5, L6 and L7, L8, L9 and L10. Similarly copy this line of code from 184 to 210. Okay, copy this here to just below it. And here the content will be R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, R8, R9 and R10. Okay, this is it. Now provide another div tag on line number 238 with the class attribute with the value column 12, column small 12. That will be as same as our previous value of class attribute of div tag. So we will copy this here to here. Inside the div tag we will have p tag with the class attribute busy enter text light and font width bold, and P2. Okay, and the content will be booked seat. Similarly, copy this line of code and paste it on line number 240, and here available set as a content, and here the background color will be primary. Now save it, and see the changes first. One time, two time, and three time. Okay, let me check for this opening tag for the closing tag available on line number 244. So that's it, which is available on line number 181. Save it and first see the output. Yes, that's good, visible properly. Now we will work on dynamic part, that is linking this URL, this GUI with database. And for this we need to fetch the status of the sheet and the sheet number from database and save it into our PHP variable so that we can use it in later. So come to the coding part. Okay, we will do that part in the next video. Stay tuned with us and thank you. See you in next video.